The Napoleonic Code? A legal masterpiece or a calculated political tool? A document praised as a leap forward for humanity, yet condemned for its patriarchal and authoritarian roots. So, what is the truth? Introduced in 1804, the Napoleonic Code not only reshaped French law but influenced Europe at large. But was this an altruistic endeavor, or merely a piece of Napoleon's grand scheme for dominance? This code championed property and contract rights while stripping away women's freedoms and tightening social control. Could this be a step backward disguised as progress? While some scholars hail the code as a timeless legal achievement, others criticize it as a tool to consolidate autocratic rule. Revolutionaries who once fought for liberty and equality could hardly have imagined their rights being stifled under such a code. Women under the Napoleonic Code were diminished, nearly reduced to their husband's property. Was this a regression of the freedoms the revolution once promised? The Napoleonic Code did not stop at France. It spread across Europe, becoming a model for legal systems in many nations. While it guaranteed property rights, the Napoleonic Code inadvertently reinforced inequality among social classes. To this day, the Napoleonic Code remains a contentious topic, with scholars agreeing it is both a great legacy and a tool for consolidating power. Was the Napoleonic Code a step forward or a means of control? The answer depends on your perspective of history. The Napoleonic Code is more than a legal document. It symbolizes the unification and modernization of laws, ushering in a new era of jurisprudence. Before the Code, French law was a chaotic maze of hundreds of conflicting rules. Napoleon changed that. The Code safeguarded property rights, laying the foundation for economic growth and social stability. The Napoleonic Code established the principle that all individuals are equal before the law, a revolutionary idea for its time. From Europe to Latin America, the Code became a blueprint for legal systems in numerous countries. The Napoleonic Code not only unified laws, but also laid the groundwork for a fair and organized judicial system. The Code enabled the middle class to thrive, especially merchants and investors. The Code's provisions safeguarded contracts, fostering trust and transparency in trade. The Code was not only a legal tool, but also a vital teaching resource in law schools. Despite facing restrictions, women indirectly benefited from the Code's provisions on property and family security. Provisions like inheritance protection and property division created legal stability for society. The Napoleonic Code inspired many Latin American nations in constructing their legal frameworks. The Code laid the foundation for cross-cultural legal exchanges worldwide. Through this code, Napoleon not only built an empire but also created a timeless legacy. The Napoleonic Code, timeless leap forward, not just for France, but for all humanity. The Napoleonic Code was not merely a set of laws but a symbol of centralized power under Napoleon's reign. Through the Code, Napoleon ensured control over even the smallest aspects of society, from property to family life. The Code reinforced the husband's authority within the family, reducing women to a dependent status. Public order was paramount, and the Code helped Napoleon maintain it with unparalleled efficiency. Beneath its orderly facade, the Code stifled personal freedoms, especially the right to free speech. The Code upheld the ruling class's power by strongly protecting property rights. Napoleon merged military and legal authority to fortify his imperial position. The Code was imposed on conquered territories to establish a unified legal order for the empire. The Code helped Napoleon restrict democratic freedoms, ensuring stability on his terms. The Code became an indispensable tool in the hands of a calculating dictator. Not everyone agreed with the Code, especially those who felt their rights were stripped away. The Napoleonic Code, a legacy of controversy, embodying both progress and the reins of control. The code was also employed to regulate the working class, ensuring their compliance with societal rules. History teaches us that laws can be tools of progress and instruments of control. The historical journey of the Napoleonic Code stands as a testament to the power of law in shaping society. The Napoleonic Code transcended its era, forming the legal foundation for dozens of nations worldwide. The Code's core values, transparency, equity, and order, remain preserved in modern legal systems. History reminds us that law can be both a tool of liberation and an instrument of control. Law is not just a legacy, it is a bridge connecting the past, present, and future. Reflecting on the Napoleonic Code, we see that law is a tool, but its use lies in the hands of humanity. The Napoleonic Code is a pivotal chapter in human history, reminding us that power and responsibility always go hand in hand. To this day, scholars continue to debate whether the Napoleonic Code was a great leap forward or a tool of autocratic power. The historical journey of the Napoleonic Code stands as a testament to the power of law in shaping society. The Napoleonic Code leaves us with a profound question: how do we use law to serve humanity without losing freedom? The Napoleonic Code, a legacy of its era, a reminder of the power and responsibility of law.